Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how you can switch accounts on Call of Duty Mobile. So first you will need to go into Settings, then Legal and Privacy. Here find your player's name and the logout button. Tap on it, confirm the sign out. Then over here, you will be returned to the COD Mobile sign-in menu. So select the sign-in method you would like to go with. Just add another account or sign into the account you wanted to switch yourself to. And I guess that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.